everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's video, I will be teaching you how you can get the reply option on your Instagram. Before doing anything, you might want to open your Instagram account and go to your messages and check if you already have the reply option. If you do not have that option, here are some steps that you can do. The first option is to open App Store on your phone and check if there are any updates for your Instagram application. Just search Instagram on the search tab and open the Instagram icon and check if there are any updates. As you will see here, the only button available is the open button, which means that there are no updates available. The next step you have to do then is to go back to your Instagram account, press the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and press the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Open settings, and at the very top you'll see the update messaging option. Press this and then press the blue update button. As you can see here, you'll now have the option to swipe to reply to messages. Again, just press update and wait for a few minutes or a few seconds for the update to completely load. Now, if you've tried updating the Instagram application and pressing the update messaging button on Instagram and you still don't have the new reply option, here's what you can do. Again, on the settings page, look for help, which is right below the account icon. Here, just press report a problem and then press the report problem without shaking option. Then, just write the problem that you are experiencing, which is that you do not have the new reply option. Once you're done typing, just press send and wait for Instagram's reply or wait for Instagram to solve your problem. That's all for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe. We hope to see you again next time.